Hey, what's up everyone, this is ProSmart. So today in this video, I will show you how to shoot slow motion videos with any Android phone. Now most of the flagship phones nowadays comes with the slow motion feature, but this video is for all Android phones. So while using a mobile phone to shoot a slow motion video, what comes to our mind first is a simple Android app that can do the task. Enter the slow motion video effects. Setting up the app is super easy and it has an easy interface. To shoot the slow motion sequence, here is a glass cup. Now if you don't have a glass cup, then use a normal cup. I have to do it very carefully because if this breaks, then my mother will definitely break all my bones. Anyways, talking about breaking things, go down and smash the red subscribe button and turn it to grey to show your strength. So I will carefully throw this stone into the glass of water and record this using my phone. Let's do it. Here goes the number 1 stone, the second, third, and finally the 4th stone. The recording process is easy, just you have to hit the record button and hit again after it's done. That's it. After it's done, here is your editing area. First I will trim the first few seconds of my video, then here comes the main part. You have seen videos that starts with a normal rate, then slows down and then after some times goes back to the normal speed. You can easily do this in editing softwares, but in this app you can do the same. So to do that, tap on the 2 dots in the middle and drag them down. After that, tap on the 2 dots left and right and drag them up. Once the U is formed, you are good to go. Now after exporting the video in HD, here are the results. I like the app, but there are some flaws like the exporting quality. The videos are not 1920 by 1080. Yes, it does record HD videos, but in 720. The app is kind of slow. The app's design is still old compared to today's dynamic app designs. Let me know in the comment section how is the app and what do you think about this. Subscribe to ProSmart for more interesting videos, and if this video helped you, then give this video a big like. Thanks for watching. This is ProSmart and I will see you in my next video.